Once you gain access to your bulb assembly, upgrading your traditional bulbs to Sylvania's newest LED direct install replacement lights has never been easier. Start by removing any covers behind your traditional bulbs. Disconnect the bulb assembly. Turn the bulb assembly counterclockwise to remove it. Sometimes the O-ring from your old bulb can get stuck to the housing. If you see one stuck on your housing, be sure to remove that too. Measure the distance from where the bulb seats in the housing to the back of the housing where the cover would go. Now, compare this distance with the measurement listed on the box or in the instructions included with Sylvania's direct install LED lights. You want to ensure there is some space behind the LEDs so they stay nice and cool. Sylvania's LED ultralights have a 6,000 Kelvin cool white light color spectrum, an aviation-grade aluminum body, cool active turbofans, and are backed by a lifetime limited warranty. These Sylvania LEDs have an integrated driver that allows for a much tidier footprint when compared to Sylvania's original LED lights, which eliminates the need to secure an external driver in the housing. Sylvania's LED lights have no polarity, which ensures easy installation. These lights have removable reference plates that facilitate proper vertical installation positioning and enable direct replacements in tight spaces where you don't have much room. Simply take the reference plate off the light and install it in the housing. Then install the light into the reference plate and turn it until it clicks into place. Sylvania's LEDs need to be in the vertical position to shine light correctly from your housing. You can verify that they are in the correct position by checking that the wire is pointing straight down once they are installed. Turn the light in the reference plate until the cord is at 6 o'clock. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. If you have a rubber cover, you can press against the back of it to check the clearance and make sure there is some space. LEDs don't like heat. A cool LED will have a longer lifespan. If airflow through the fan is restricted, it may cause the lamp to operate at an elevated temperature, which could shorten its service life. The warmer light of the traditional halogen bulbs on the right is immediately apparent when compared to the cool white light on the left from Sylvania's new LED direct replacement lights. By switching your lights to Sylvania LEDs today, you can see better tonight.